Hello all developers and consultants, welcome back to another video. Today's video will be interesting. I guess majority of the audience who watches my videos, mainly they are consultants, right? If my assumption is right, then I'll go for the next step. Today I got some solutions for ABAP and functional consultants, which makes your work easier, less clumsier, and you don't need too much uh, go haywire on late night issues or late night works and late night crisis. Today I'll show some tips and tricks and some solutions that SAP offer, which you can use to restrain from doing repetitive or iterative jobs during your coding or during your support project experience. You be a developer, consultant, technical consultant, functional consultant, everything, all the way you'll be helpful with this inputs. We'll talk about several tools, several functionalities of different tools which helps you to survive a lot of crisis. We'll go to the first tool, and the first tool is the early watch. Early watch is a report that's generated in the solution manager. Solution manager is a system layout that is being sold or being supplied by SAP, and solution manager is a centralized hub system which can control all the systems, and since it has connection to all the systems, it can watch all the systems. Watch means to keep the track on the vitals and the statistics and the memory. Basically, a system consists application, memory, and hardware. So this the early watch report takes care of system, memory, and the hardware inlining, and sends a predictive report as per SAP, and adding all the consultations in one shot that makes you easy to understand, and you, a basis consultant, a developer, a functional consultant, everyone has got their inputs in. You can see the number ranges, you can see the system failures, you can see the update errors, you can see the notes to be installed, you can see the memory issues, you can see the applicant server issues. It will help you a lot of way. We'll go to the next one. It's Charm. Charm is a solution that comes with Solution Manager, the change request management. It is an integrated CTS, transport system, which helps you to move the transport seamlessly without a lot of basis intervention, and you keep a specific and dynamic and information full audit trail. You have a history of everything. Charm assists you not to do things manually. It takes transports in a job and makes your work less complex, and the basis people are also happy because they don't need to do much work and their work is audited. We see the next one. It is the long running job alert. A lot of time, lot of developers and the functional consultant get to see this problem that jobs are running so long, jobs get cancelled. Sometimes the job is doing nothing, just running and going green. We don't know if anything went wrong or not. Maybe it went wrong, then it dumped once, then all are green but no work. It happens many times. This long running job alert or failure alert will send you an email if it's running for a longer time or it's cancelled every time. So only critical jobs can be assigned and you will be alerted every time something happens, something goes wrong. It's a great feature you can use for your day to day. We'll go to the last one. As we everyone know, we know firefighter, right? Firefighter is something that comes from the default system, from the ERP system as well. You can use specific transactions to access the firefighter. You can see the transactions on the screen, but there is a separate system these days procured by SAP. It was there for a longer time. It's GRC, governance, risks and controls, and you have a super user privilege management over there. You don't need to bother about anything. Everything is created. You just need to set it up, and the audit trail is there. The reports are there. You can see who used it, when used it, and how used it, and what did they do on the tracking part. So everything is there. You just need to activate this, and if you have an updated version, you can use the EAM, emergency access management, in the GRC. So the GRAC_EAM gives you the emergency access management. You can use the firefighter ID right from the GRC system itself. You don't need to go to the ERP or CRM or all the systems one by one. So the centralized firefighter systems helps you mitigate a lot of risk, and you have added audit trail. Whatever you do, it's recorded. So this was a lot of solutions which I found makes the developer consultant's job easier. I'll get such videos in my next videos. If you like this video, please do like the channel, do like the video and subscribe our channel. We'll create a lot of videos like this, including ABAP and functional consulting. Until the next video, bye bye.